I'm Red Moth Art, Kimberly Grau, and I am, I guess you could say, cross-disciplinary artist, primarily in visual art, fashion, and the like. I love to create kimonos that are hand-painted, hand-sewn, and have a little Japanese influence to them. I also paint on anything that will allow me to paint. I make skateboards, I do comics. I just love art. I started trying to paint on other items other than conventional surfaces, mainly because I wanted to take art with me wherever I went. So that was one of the reasons why I paint on my kimono jackets, because I figure you're literally wearing a piece of art with you wherever you go. And when I'm making art, I have a really good attachment to it. It makes me very happy. So I feel like when I wear it or give it to somebody, I'm giving them that same feeling. My process can vary. I would say that I tend to come up with a story first. First of all, I tend to come up with a character. I'm highly influenced by music as well, so I'll pick music that fits that character. And then from that point on, I create a design from there. And then I create a design that I think reflects the spirit of that character. So for my fashion shows, I tell the models to try to embody that character too. Kind of have fun and kind of enjoy the process too, because this should be fun. I'm highly influenced by Japanese art, including manga, but even some of the more traditional art as well, the woodblock prints, the Japanese watercolors, just the whole artisan style, but I do with a blend of Western touches. I don't claim that any of my stuff is authentic or completely traditional. I do like to add little Western touches to it. So I would say I'm inspired by Japanese artwork, Art Nouveau, graffiti, pop art, and then watercolor as well. Quarantine affected me in the way at first because I actually had a really hard time concentrating. I was able to do a lot of projects, but I wasn't able to focus on just one, and that was kind of tough for me in the beginning. As I just wrote it through, it got a little bit easier because I just decided, well, I can't do anything. I can't change what's going on right now. I really can't. So I'm going to focus all of my energy, all of my worry into creating. And with that, I was able to create several comics. I was able to create a lot of different artsy masks, a lot of different fashionable kimonos, and I painted on skateboard decks. So I just had to use all of that worry. Instead of worrying and not being able to do anything, I channeled that into painting. You can find my art on my Instagram, IG Red Moth Art, or my website, www.redmothart.com. Remember that the most difficult circumstances are usually opportunities in disguise, and to remember that your art has value, even if you don't feel that it does at this point, and to just never give up, because you don't know, with every small action that you take, no matter how small, it is pushing you forward in a certain direction. And you're not going to realize that until you get there and you look back and you realize, oh, all these things led me here.